In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth integration process for 2025. This integration is key for businesses looking to streamline operations and enhance efficiency by linking their financial and inventory management systems. Let's kick things off by heading over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base for managing all your accounting needs and is accessible by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once there, you'll notice several options at your disposal. What we want to focus on is the settings related to Zoho apps. Click on Highlights, which should be visible on your dashboard. This will guide you to the relevant section where the integration options are found. Next, navigate to the Zoho Apps section within your settings. You can do this by clicking on the settings gear icon, usually located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Getting familiar with this area is important as it contains various integrations that can significantly expand the functionality of your Zoho Books account. Within the Zoho Apps section, locate and select the option for Zoho Inventory. Clicking on Zoho Inventory initiates the connection process between the two services. This integration is crucial for syncing your financial data with your inventory management, allowing for a cohesive operational flow between sales, purchases, inventory updates, and financial accounting. Now, you will see an option to Try Now. By clicking this, you begin the integration setup. This trial feature is especially useful if you're new to using Zoho Inventory, as it allows you to explore its features. You'll find that Zoho Inventory offers a range of options to manage your stock levels, monitor product movements, and optimize order processing, all of which integrate seamlessly with Zoho Books. After exploring the trial, if needed, continue by clicking Join. This step is critical as it commits your organization to the integration, where you can start configuring settings tailored to your business needs. At this point, it's important to set up your organization profile within Zoho Inventory. This profile acts like a bridge, linking your inventory management with financial records. Click on Set up your organization profile. Be sure to enter accurate information, as this will reflect in your overall system operations. Finally, click on Get Started to complete the setup process. This initiation is quite user-friendly, guiding you through any remaining configuration needed to ensure that the integration is operating smoothly. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you've successfully integrated Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory. This setup will provide your business with the tools needed to manage financial and inventory processes efficiently, enhancing your ability to make informed decisions and maintain robust operational control.